SOH-CAH-TOA is the mic. SOH-CAH-TOA is the mic. Teal, inverse, trig, functions, go. Yes, we are stealing this little strategy tool from our head coach, Mr. Kintz. Let's rock and roll. As yesterday, we were working with the three trig functions of sine, cosine, and tangent to find our missing sides. And today we are working with the inverse operations to find our missing angles. So the trig functions may have changed, but the game remains the same. Let's zoom in on tight, and we will start by identifying our hypotenuse. Yes, I'm circling the right angle for a reason, because across from that right angle, we will just label H for hypotenuse. I am going to highlight our theta here in blue for the simple reason that opposite of that is, guess what side? Yes, we're labeling it O for opposite. Our adjacent then will be the 16. And which side does not have a number with it? Because it's blank. Wonderful. Hypotenuse, get rid of the H. We are left with the O and the A. Well, let's go back up to our chart here. OH, AH, O. OA. Wonderful. We will be using the inverse of tangent. All right, so let's just go ahead and set this little guy up. Tan with the oppo 1. We're doing the angles. It's our inverse. And we're just going O over A. Well, our O is represented by a 14. And our A is represented by a 16. Let's go ahead and pull in our calculator. We're going to hit second. And then we are going to hit tan. There it is. 14 divided by 16. Go ahead and hit enter. Round to the nearest tenth. Yes, we get 41.2 as our answer. And let's move on to the next one quickly. Yes, I am looking for that right angle so I can go right across and label my hypotenuse. I am going to highlight my theta in blue there because directly opposite from that is our opposite side O. And let's go ahead and label the other side A. In this case, we will not be using A because H has an 8 and O has a 3.5 and A is just the blank side. So we will be using O and H. All right, I'm not going to go back up to the tool this time because so that will be our sine. But again, we're using the inverse operation here. And we're just going to set that up as O over H. Our O is 3.5. And we will set that over our H of 8. And we're going into our back pocket for the old handy-dandy calculator. Second, sine, 3.5 divided by 8. Hit enter. Round it up, 25.94. It's going to stay the same because we're rocking with the tenths, so it's just going to be 25.9. Yes, go ahead, like and subscribe. Students, leave a comment. I will exempt you from one. I'm still waiting on that first comment. First one, you know what? I'll knock off two. Let's go!